From the T20 World Cup. Remember, India are playing their first encounter today versus the US of A, and it is the visitors in USA that have won the toss and have decided to field first. That's the news that is coming in from there, and that doesn't come as a surprise because more often than not, we've seen firstly in the T20 format, teams preferring to chase a total. That's what most teams like. So that is reason enough for USA then to be fielding first. And secondly, you also get the dew factor this time of the year, which is also beneficial if you're batting second and bit of a disadvantage if you're bowling second. So on that front, it isn't great news for the Indian camp that USA have won the toss. Everyone would want to be fielding first in these conditions. But the good thing is, for cricket fans all around, what I'm picking up is that it is a nice batting track that will be on display at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, which means you can see plenty of runs being scored. So the way this Indian team has been batting for a long time, you know that runs galore is something that we've come to relate with this particular Indian team. And because you've got a belter of a track in Mumbai, you can expect loads of runs being scored by the Indian team. And of course, they have a star-studded batting lineup. We're going to quickly run you through the team. You're going to have your openers. Now, that was the big question. Who is going to be opening for India? Remember, there was also Sanju Samson there, who was in contention for that opener slot. There was also Ishan Kishan. What we can confirm now that it is indeed Ishan Kishan who is opening for the Indian team. So Sanju and Ishan, it was going to be a close call. They've gone with Ishan Kishan. That's the first bit of breaking news that we're giving you here on India Today. So India's two openers are Abhishek Sharma, Ishan Kishan. From there on, it's a familiar batting lineup. Tilak Varma makes a return after a long time because of an injury. He had been out for some time because of an injury. He comes back. Rinku Singh, Hardik Pandya and Shivam Dube make up your middle order. And then you've got an all-rounder in Akshar Patel, the spinning all-rounder. Varun Chakravarti is the lone specialist spinner that the Indian team has gone with. Arshdeep Singh was expected to be there. He's there. But that is another surprise. Number 11 is Mohammad Siraj. No Jasprit Bumrah in the team. So two big news when it comes to India's playing 11. Ishan Kishan is playing ahead of Sanju Samson, and Mohammad Siraj is playing instead of Jasprit Bumrah, who we believe is unwell. Because of that, he's not playing this encounter, and instead of him, Mohammad Siraj is playing. We're joined by our correspondent Rahul Rawat, who joins us live from outside the Wankhede Stadium. Rahul, Siraj, just about 24 hours ago, he was not even in the squad. Not only does he come into the squad, he goes straight into the playing 11.
Well, that's what you call as luck. Something similar happened to Ishan Kishan. If somebody would have asked him 6 months ago that would you be playing the T20 World Cup, I don't think he would have said yes. And Mohammad Siraj, just a couple of days ago, even he wouldn't have expected, although the team would have told him that if something happens to any of the pacers, you would be our backup. But Mohammad Siraj, especially, the moment Harshit Rana got injured and he was ruled out of the World Cup, here at the Wankhede, you would expect a fast bowler to come in and replace a fast bowler. Jasprit Bumrah, they had the option of playing Kuldeep Yadav, but because of the conditions, the wicket, I think they preferred Mohammad Siraj. And Mohammad Siraj, we all know that ever since he was dropped from that Champions Trophy squad last year, he's been a different bowler altogether, whether it is for his IPL franchisee in Gujarat Titans and thereafter whatever cricket he has played for India, be it ODIs or Test cricket. So this could be the moment of redemption. Again, not redemption, but at least to prove the selectors and a lot of people, perhaps in the team management, that he actually deserves a place in this 11, Nikhil.
Okay, you spoke about Mohammad Siraj, who just comes in, and you would have needed a fast bowler in Wankhede. Of course, Ishan Kishan as well. I hear a lot of excited fans with you, Rahul. What are they expecting? I know this World Cup, so far we've had 2 games, and in both those games, the associates may have lost, but they gave a good account of themselves. Could it be 3 games, which is a close encounter? Associates punching above their weight. What are the fans expecting?
All right, Nikhil, before I take you to the fans over here, just to let you know that right now I am here at the Marine Drive. Why? Because a lot of people who did not have the tickets were not allowed in the vicinity of the stadium. Now, we have never seen this at the Wankhede. This was just to avoid a repeat of what happened at the RCB felicitation last year. You would remember where 11 people lost their lives. So a lot of people have gathered here at the Marine Drive. In fact, I'm just looking for people. क्या नाम है आपका?
फरहान
फरहान निखिल हैं वहाँ से. वो पूछ रहे हैं कि यार 3 मैचेस हैं आज. पहला मैच हुआ जहाँ पर एक एसोसिएट नेशन नेदरलैंड्स था, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को बड़ी कड़ी टक्कर दी और ऑलमोस्ट ऐसी सिचुएशन पे थे जहाँ पे उन्होंने हरा ही दिया था. वहाँ पे दूसरा मैच स्कॉटलैंड और वेस्ट इंडीज का हुआ. वो बोल रहे हैं कि यूएस से कोई घबराने की जरूरत तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं, यूएस से तो आराम से जीत सकते हैं इंडिया. उतनी बड़ी
पहला बैटिंग कर रहे हैं इंडिया.
हाँ, तो इंडिया बैटिंग में 200 प्लस रन तो आराम से बना देंगे.
200 तो वो मतलब,
अरे मतलब वही ऐसा बता रहा हूँ कितना
200 तो आजकल ऐसा हो रहा है प्लेयर इंडिविजुअल स्कोर सोच रहे हैं.
300 रन बना लेंगे आराम से. हाँ, और फिर बॉलर भी बहुत अच्छी है, बॉलिंग लाइनअप भी बहुत अच्छी है हमारी, तो मैच तो आराम से जीत सकते हैं.
आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा मोहम्मद हमजा नाम है.
अच्छा, क्या लग रहा है आपको?
मेरे को लग रहा है
कुछ यूएस में, मैं आपको बता दूं, यूएस में करीब 5-6 ऐसे लोग हैं, ऐसे प्लेयर्स हैं जो इंडिया ओरिजिन के हैं और काफ़ी सारे ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जिनका मुंबई एक तरह से होम ग्राउंड रह चुका है.
हाँ, पर होम ग्राउंड रह चुका है, पर वो कोई बात नहीं है क्योंकि जो हमारे खिलाड़ी हैं उनको काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. तो अभी अमेरिका की जो टीम है वो थोड़ा नई है इसके लिए.
बट आप लोग अभी इतना शोर मचा रहे थे, सडनली आपकी आवाज़ को क्या हो गया है? हैं?
आवाज़ को कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
अभी तो यहाँ पर
ये यहाँ पे आवाज जवाब नहीं देगी, हमारा बल्ला जवाब देगा मैच के अंदर. हमारी आवाज जवाब नहीं देगी, हमारा बल्ला जवाब देगा मैच के अंदर, जाके देख लीजिएगा.
हमारी टीम में खिलाड़ी ऐसे ऐसे हैं जो अगर एक चल गया तो पूरी टीम में भारी पड़ सकता है. अभी अंडर 19 का फाइनल हुआ है, वैभव सूर्यवंशी को आप देख सकते हैं.
कल टीम आ रही है और 2 बजे आ रही है टीम मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे. आप सब लोग वहाँ चले जाना टीम को रिसीव करने, ताकि उनको भी लगे कि यार उन्होंने जो काम किया है उसके लिए आप लोग भी जाइए वहाँ पे. सो निखिल, आई थिंक द जेंटलमैन ओवर हियर राइटली सेड दैट सच is the situation in this team that one player can actually take the match away from any opposition, be it your openers, be it your openers as in Abhishek, Ishan or anybody. So that's the situation with this Indian team right now.